My name's Mike Fitzgerald, and this is my first time ever building a home. It's going to be awesome. We took a vacant lot, 65 by 180. We put a driveway in, we put a foundation in, 9-foot ceilings, and now we're doing modular home construction, which is much, much better than stick building because they're built indoors, out of the weather, and they're built under top quality inspections, and they get inspected daily. Juan is a professional at setting modular homes. He set over 1,000 modular homes, and he's one of the best in the business. More than 1,000 modular homes, right, Juan?
Yeah. In a year, I'll do like 200. I've been doing this for 13 years.
200 a year. That is amazing. We're going to be putting up about 50 to 100 of these a year, and we're going to have Juan do every single one of them.
All right.
I am so freaking nervous over this. I got tens of thousands of dollars now, one box, and it's being picked up with a crane. Oh my God. Go, you got a chainsaw? Go get it. This is our project manager, Brandon Smith, and there's some things we have to watch for as the home gets set, so I don't lose an obscene amount of money. Brandon, what are those things?
First thing we have to watch for right now is the band board on the back of the house. As soon as they set that, we have to make sure that everything's flush with the sill plate, which is a pressure treated board on top of the foundation. So let's go ahead and walk around back here and make sure.
This is freaking exciting, man. First one we ever set, and if one thing goes out of place, one thing goes wrong, bam, goodbye $20,000. Okay, dude, I'm about to have a heart attack right now. With the lolly columns in the basement that support the house and support the structure of a house, along with a poured foundation with 9-foot ceilings, Chuck put all the lolly columns in yesterday and put all the seal plate in. Chuck, did you get all the lolly columns and seal plates in right and good?
Yeah.
They got inspected by a licensed inspector? It's called American craftsmanship, brother. This right here is a big, like 30,000 gallon septic tank it has 8 40-foot field lines, and this is where all the waste goes from the house. I had that put in by Craig, the excavator.
Are you 1/4 relaxed yet?
Hey Brandon, next time we do one of these, I want to get one of those steel beams, like for the one in Thermont, and put it across because it kills the basement.
Well, if you do a steel beam in one of these houses, you still have to have 2 lolly columns in the center. There's 2 mandatory locations. This beam here.
I'd rather 2 sounds better than 5.
Absolutely, yes.
You're going to tie this into foundation so it's supportive. What are all these lines going through up top?
Actually, this is just it's rebar tie wire. We put those in place just to hold the lolly columns in place. Right before the house is set, so that when the house is actually set down, it actually does set on the lolly column itself. So otherwise, we're going to have them falling over, and this just prevents any accidents.
Hey, we're coming down. I mean, when we came here, and I got some pictures of it, we hit solid rock 2 feet under the ground, and we had to bust rock with an 80,000-pound rock hammer for a week and a half just to dig this basement. So explain to me how this basement works. We've got time to do it, the whole process.
Basically, I mean, we start in here with a loader digging all of our footers out. We had to go down about 7 feet in the ground. We're going to end up with about 8.5 feet walls down here. We did end up hitting a lot of limestone.
Ran my foundation price up 10 grand.
We spent about a week and a half doing nothing but hammering rock. I mean, it was, and every time that thing hits like a cash register going off, it costs more money. You know, at this point,
$165 an hour. This is Max. He works and helps do all the orders at the plant where we buy the modular homes.
I've been there 34 years, so I guess I can help a little bit.
I'm going to be the biggest distributor for this particular plant here within the next 12 months.
I hope he is.
Look how close it is. I mean, this is amazing. At one wrong move, it could knock the other side of the modular off the foundation. But look at the quality. Look at the 2x6 construction, and look at the craftsmanship. He's literally pushing that onto the foundation. They put the front porch forms in the wrong spot, so now we're gonna have to do a third form for the front porch, which is hopefully the concrete company's problem, or hopefully they do it for less than like $200. Now the one thing we did, which is freaking fantastic, is we made our house higher than the other houses. We had to come out of the ground, so we not only have the nicest house in the neighborhood, we got the premier home in this neighborhood. This is one of the smartest decisions we made so far. Halfway through the modular home build today. Now, modular construction to me is the best construction. Again, it's built out of the weather. We're about to set our final box with this crane. We're literally picking up tens of thousands of pounds of material with the crane into the air and setting it. It's one of the coolest projects I've ever done, and it's halfway done.